Hi, my name is Shannon Holsey, and this is my final reflection video for math methods. As far as the changes for my view of mathematics goes, I think that my view for mathematics has gotten better than it was in the beginning of the year. There were some changes from being somewhat confident because I have learned many methods that I can use as a teacher in my future that will help me make it easier for me to teach math to children. I think that I am not fully confident, though, as there's still room for me to learn more about mathematics and ways to use and teach mathematics in the classroom. Like I previously stated, I think that my view for the confidence level for doing mathematics has gotten better. My confidence level at the beginning of the year was somewhat confident. I think that through this semester I have learned math methods of easier ways that I can help teach students how to learn to do mathematics. I too have learned methods to do mathematics that makes it easier for me to understand. This grasp on mathematics will help me to be a better math teacher in the future and will help me to teach my students in better ways that makes it easier for them to understand the methods of mathematics, unlike how I was taught when I was in elementary school. My rating for my confidence in teaching mathematics at the beginning of the year was at neutral. I think that over the course of the semester, I have been able to learn different ways to teach mathematics that makes it easier for me to understand ways to teach mathematics to students in my future career. I think that my rating now would be somewhat confident because I think that I still have a lot of room to learn about mathematics and ways to teach mathematics. If I had an unlimited budget to set up my future mathematics classroom, I would have a lot of manipulatives for students to use. I would have all sorts of technology for them to use as well so that they can really get a feel for using mathematics in the classroom. I think that I would have it decorated with lots of posters that applied to mathematics that I would be teaching. Having a lot of posters in the classroom, I think, is something that's important for students to have because it makes it easier for students to reference something in the classroom, and it's a place for them to reference throughout the year. I would have buckets and buckets of math materials for the students to use as well. And that's my final reflection.